Apa. Bakit, sir?
And Mr. Wu, you're also arrested for misrepresenting yourself as a Filipino. So, during the arrest, we have confiscated Filipino IDs. So, that will also be charged against you. You also have the right to counsel. If you cannot afford one, the Bureau of Immigration will provide one for you. Do you understand those rights that I just read to you? We are agents of Bureau of Immigration Creative Search Unit. We are arresting you pursuant to the mission order number 2026-024 in violation of the section 37A7 of the Philippine Immigration Act.
Bali, ano yan sa 3787?
Yung
Walang